Oh, got the Weather Channel going here. I haven't made a video in a couple days, so I figured I would just. I've been wanting to do this since like Thursday. That's the first day I went out. That was the same day I got a couple packages in the mail. I don't even know if I showed you the Bowman blasters. I got 10 Bowman blasters in the mail the other day. And I finally saw them for the first time getting sold out in the stores. I basically paid $20 $20 a box more online. I bought them for like $30. Well, 28, 29 something before tax. And I got them today for like $8.99 or $9.99 or something. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But I never saw them before, so how the heck was I supposed to know? Plus, I've got the Playbook before, especially Playbook hockey is really awesome. It's one of the best, one of my favorite things back in 13, 14, Playbook hockey. I remember getting, can't remember the name of the guy from the Colorado Avalanche. Oh, I forgot his name. Oh, Nathan McKinnon. Yes, I finally got them. I had a feeling this was the box I was going to get this in. I hope Tyler is watching this video. I basically got them because I remember Tyler. Topps Finest Tyler. Finest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6? I thought I bought 10 of these. I hope I didn't get ripped off. There's a second box. Maybe the other 4 are in there. Just the fact that it's Topps Finest. Collect the Stone Cold Steve Austin Finest Careers 10-card set. Yeah, so I know I definitely ordered 10 of them. So far I see 6. Let's see if it's package 1 of 2 or... Doesn't say box 1 or 2. I really hope the other 4 are in over there. That one has a return address and that person's name. This one says Walmart.com. I don't know. I really hope I didn't get ripped off of 4 boxes. And you know what? Now that I think about it, usually people have like the order form. I don't see an order form here. I'm telling you, I got ripped off. I'm going to have to call these guys and see what's going on. I got a bunch of these. In store, in person. I don't know. I got to figure out what's going on with this stuff because there's no way. I only bought 1 of these and 6 of those. I know I bought like 10 of those and I think like 4 of these. I mean, I could be wrong about Diamond Kings because I bought a bunch of them already, so that's possible. But I know I got 10. Well, you know what, though? Maybe I only got 6 of those. I definitely got 10 absolutes. The screen's moving. Oh, here it is. Okay. That was from Thursday. This other stuff is Thursday also. Okay, I know what this is. It's from Tunkhannock's Walmart. I bought some hand and feet like for your soul. Hot, those hot warmer things in case of an emergency. When I was out there, I bought Chronicles pack and an NBA Hoops pack, and I killed it in both of these packs. I know I got one of those Joe Burrows or Justin Herbert. Yeah, it was Justin Herbert's one of those gold picture frame cards that are worth a lot of money. I think the Burrows was a Luminance. Yeah, those warmers were 75 cents each. Crazy, I'll take that any day. Investigators tried to question Leanne again to see if she knew about Ross's infidelities. She declined to ask that they talk to Ross's attorney. But it doesn't matter. On Thursday, September 4th, 2014. Alright, sorry for that. Let's see what else I got. Thursday, yep. We already got that. Got that, we got that. You know, the person who waited on me is a jackass. Like, I asked them for this box, and then they took them all out and they put them in a separate bag. Like Moronsville. No offense, but I mean, it's just, you know, why would you do that? Why would you take it out of the package that I brought up to the counter? Take it out. Yeah, and that's what they did. They took it out. They put the stuff that I paid for in a different bag and then put an empty box, a display box, in a different bag. Like morons. Like, that's just... I was wondering, because I remember grabbing an extra bag and putting everything in one bag because it was, like, so awkward. And now I realize why I did it. I had to do it that way. They had the 2 packs of cards in one bag rolled up like this, and then they had the stuff I bought in another bag, and then they had the big display box in another bag. That's just Moronsville. Anyways, so okay. I then went to, I think, Barnes & Noble. Boom. I got an Eevee and a Jolteon. Battle Styles. I'm not sure which Walmart I went to, but Interleon, right? Inteleon. Those are like pretty big cards, 320. Full art cards and stuff. Mm-hmm. Oh, I remember. That was when I first started. That was the first place I went. And they had nothing. This Thursday after work. The 2 previous Thursdays I left work late, and I just missed getting Prism basketball the 1 week and like Score football the next week. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. The days I go there. The day I go there early, I left to work early to go there. Sure enough, they had nothing. Those are just hangers. They sell them so cheap, I bought them. This is what hangers are supposed to be, like that much. Not these ridiculous prices. Forever. No biggie. That's Thursday. I think I'll end it there because that's pretty much what I got. 6. Oh, well, Tyler, please tell me what you think of those WWF Finest. I forget how much they were, but they're decent price. All right, thank you.